Today we're going to chat about the differences between electrolysis and laser hair removal. Hi, my name is Lauren O'Connell and my videos help you to stylize your perfect skincare wardrobe. Let's jump right into this and start off with electrolysis. Electrolysis is a permanent hair removal treatment and it works for all hair types. If your hair is blonde, red, white, gray, black, brown, whatever, electrolysis will indeed work for you. Electrolysis goes hair by hair, so it takes quite a long time to get a full treatment. And I've had several treatments on my upper lip and my chin, and there is still hair there, although I will say it has been greatly reduced and it has not come back. I do have an entire video on my electrolysis journey where I also go into a lot of detail about the hair growth cycle that's important to know about with electrolysis. By all means, check that out if you want to learn a little bit more. Oh, and the pain factor. I know some of you are thinking, how painful is it? I found that sometimes when I went in for my treatment, I could lay down and just sort of zone out and I would barely feel a thing. When I had the electrolysis closer to my lip line, there were times where it felt like a very sharp mosquito bite. And it's one of those pains where as soon as you have it, or it's one of those sensations where as soon as you feel it, the pain is gone. So it is there at times, but it is short and it's just, once it's done, it's done. Now let's get into laser. And laser is not permanent. That means that initially you'll have a course of maybe about 6 to 8 treatments. And after that, you might need to get a maintenance treatment once or twice a year. A lot of people think that laser is incredibly painful, but I did discover a painless laser and it's not too good to be true. Trust me, it exists. I just did an entire YouTube video on it. The machine is called the Deca Motus AY. If you're in Dubai, you can look down below. I'll show you where to go get the treatment from. If you are somewhere else, Google the name of the machine. I bet you'll be able to find where it's provided in your hometown or wherever you're living. Anyways, laser is quick. Laser goes real fast. You can do your body in a very short period of time. No pain, like I said, but it only works when you have pigmentation in your hair. So it's not going to work on someone with blonde hair. So I could not get laser on my face, and you might not be able to see it, but trust me, there's still quite a bit of hair there. I couldn't get laser here, but I can get laser on my underarms, my legs, my bikini area. That's fine because the hair is dark, just like the hair on my head. So laser is a little bit more discriminating into what type of hair it can treat. For me, I need to almost have a cocktail or a mocktail, if you will, of the two treatments. Electrolysis is great for my face, and actually it's really great too if you are a woman with some nipple hair. You can just, the electrolysis will just get in there, zap it, take it out, and it's just gone forever. And for the rest of my body, I love to have laser because it's quick. It can just get rid of all the hair and I don't have to think about it anymore. By all means, check out my video on pain-free laser. It is right here and is probably my best beauty find of 2020.